going on, guys? I had an order of these T-post target hangers that hold up AR 500 targets. We're using 1/2 inch for the hooks, 3/16 for the sidewalls. So most of these elephant style T-post hangers you're gonna find online stop to about right here on the T-post. So I went ahead and extended it about another 1.5 inches or so. That was actually the customer's request because he's been having issues with his falling off. I don't think this one's gonna fall off anytime soon. That being said, let me show you how I made these bad boys. So we got the new one we just made. Let's go ahead and see how she fits. Like a glove, baby. And this is the one that was on there previously. So I got these two bad boys made. Got a few more to do. Just wanted to show y'all how I made them. Appreciate you guys watching. See y'all next time. Peace.